This is my 1953 Fasco Box fan. I think it's about a 16-inch blade. I'm not sure exactly. I think it's about... Anyway, it's a very powerful fan. It takes about maybe 180 some odd watts on high and draws about 2.2 amps of current. And it makes a very nice window fan. See if I can get you the paint up close here. There you go. Nice hammered green. Nice hammered green paint finish. So let's turn this thing on. This fan also happens to be the first fan I've ever collected, and that's about all I have to say.